Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Today I want to discuss something about this date, which is 12th March today. 12th March 1930, something landmark happened in our history of Indian independence. On this date, Mahatma Gandhi, along with some of his 78 associates of Sabarmati Ashram, he marched towards the coast of Dandi, which is in Gujarat, and there he just took some salt in his hand. He just made salt from seawater, and this was the violation of the salt law which was made by the Britishers at that time. This violation of the salt law was seen as Indian people's resolve not to live under Britishers' laws. Now you will be thinking why Gandhi took salt to convey a message to the Britishers or to the people. As we know, salt is a basic need, and this salt linked the ideal of Swaraj to the very concrete and most universal grievance of the rural poor. So, at that time, this Dandi March, which is also known as Salt Satyagrah, had an immense impact on both Britishers as well as on the common people. And this incident was widely covered in the newspapers, by media. Now, why I am discussing this matter now, today? The reason is simple. As we know that very often we just hear about the protests going on in the country, in one part of some other part of the country. But many a times, what they do, they are predominantly violent, damaging public property, harming even lives of the others, which is not what we are known for, Indians, because we belong to the country where leaders like Gandhi taught us the lesson of principle of non-violence. You can take it as an appeal from my side that no matter that you want to protest for something, for some cause, because we have the right for dissenting what we don't like. But it doesn't mean that we should harm others for that cause. Hence, limit yourself to the peaceful methods whenever you want to protest. Always remember, peace leads to prosperity. Thank you so much.